Hi, welcome to another episode of Texas Todd Barbecue. Today, I'm going to show you how I do Texas Todd Queso. Let's go check it out. Here we have our ingredients. You have your cheeses. I like to go with the old tried and true Velveeta. And we have some white cheddar here. Also, a couple of things I do. I use a little bit of a heavy cream. Just kind of gives it a nice texture. A little bit of garlic powder. Ro-tel is a must-have. I got the fire roasted. Obviously, you can get any kind of Ro-tel that you want. And then for a little spice, the salt lick garlic dry rub. All right, so now let's put them all together. So first, we'll start off with the white cheddar. We'll go next with the Ro-tel. Next, we go with the heavy cream. Not a lot. And don't forget, the holes facing up. Now let's go take it out to the smoker. And I always like to use a water pan to help retain moisture. All right, now that our queso is done, let's take it inside. And now that our queso is done, we'll go ahead and add in some fresh cilantro and a little more seasoning. And then we'll stir that in. Hi, thanks for checking out my Texas Todd Queso. I hope you liked it. Happy eating. Oh yeah, that's good.